Pop her off, big nuts.
What do you want? What? Huh? Huh?
Hey, what are you doing in here?
And shine the light. Who's gonna see the light?
What the hell? Here I am. Did you guys ever change a valve stem on a big wheel? Big wheels keep on rolling. Give me a lighter and a big bud. Hey, no. They don't give you much access, and this is what our problem was on this side. If I don't have to take that wheel off and I can get this, this is the one from the other side. I put some new O-rings in it and try to do it with a pick screwdriver. Get that seated on there through that little hole. Let me show you. Yeah, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but I'm trying. In there. Oh, hey, I had it off. Look at that. Yeah, now to get it out of there. Okay, hang on a second. Maybe I won't be able to make it with the elbow anyways, and we'll have to take it off. But regardless, I gotta put this down. I got to put it down. You have to just hang low, 10-20. Nope, I don't think she's coming out of there. Let me come out of there. There we go. Good thing is the new double jointed pliers and stuff. Here, I got it out. I don't think the new one's gonna go in though. Just broke it to sweat. Look at the crap in there. Wow. All right, well, patience and a positive attitude, and I don't know if I got either today, but obviously I got some. See if I can look in there for you. Yeah, it just screws on. Screws onto a nipple that's welded into the tire, man. Seals on that O-ring, so let's see if I can get the other one in there and get it started on there. If I can get it started on there, I'm done. We got this tire. Won't have to take it off the hub. All right, I'll bring it back. Well, suppose I should show you guys this. This is the one that just came out of that said tire. See that? That's rust. That's steel. So either somebody before me put steel tube line in there and sweated it on to fix it in a pinch, or they actually manufactured it. It has to be silver brazed or something. And it's a different part number than the other one. So I'm taking this one. I'm going to smoke it first. No, I replaced the O-rings inside. Hey, it's raining out. And you can see right here where my finger is, I had to do a little chamfer. And I had a chamfer on the bottom so I can stick it through that there hole, hold on to it, and try to get them threads started. Like I said, my aim is to not have to take that wheel off. I got my little professional studio chair there and my little snappy light and a long screwdriver and blah, blah, blah. And when I get it tight up in there, I'll just hit these flats with the screwdriver. And we do that with hydraulic fittings all the time. And set it so it can't back off. And we should be good. And I'll put some air in it and test it out. Yeah, it's cleaned up really nice with the wire wheel. I love brass and copper and stuff like that because it don't corrode. Don't corrode. So I'll bring you back if I can get air in this son of a gun and get it done. If not, you ain't never going to see this video. All I got to say is no way. I got her hooked on there through that little hole. I just got to tighten her up. I had to bend it, but it's brass tube, so that was awesome. Awesome. Can you say it again? Awesome. I'm gonna try to set you up here so you can kind of just watch me scare into oblivion here. Can you see me? What a pain in the butt. But I got her hooked on. That's like putting a hydraulic hose on and I'm just hitting on the points of the hex and turning the bolt, or the nut, so to speak. Yeah, it was like lining up a JIC fitting inside of a harvester head, or a flat face, I should say. See what patience will do for you, and a little bit of ingenuity. Well, it sucks going blind though, because I have to have my glasses on to get right in there. A lot of grease. There we go. Man, we're cruising now, boy. All right. This tire ain't gonna have to come off the hub. All right, man. Nice. That's what you do on a Saturday. It's time. You ever see a screwdriver like that? That's how they made them back in the high school days, I think. I don't know. Somebody had to. I don't know where I picked it up. That thing comes in handy more places than none. But now, we gotta give her the gentle. Nice sharp. Tappy tap tap. Tappy tap tap. Who says you can't do shit in the road? Look at that. I'm quite impressed with myself. It's even centered in the hole. Ugh. Try to give her one more little love tap. You guys hang around me enough, you'll learn something. Okay? I just hope you're in frame. If not, oh well. I think we got her there, chum. I think we got her. Put too much pressure on her, Mike. There we go. Now she's seated. Now I'll give her the real test. Are you guys still with me? Are you still with me, man? Yeah, you know why I started working today? 'Cause I'm getting fat. And somewhere, always got to have a bottle of this stuff laying around. Oh yeah, we got leaks right here where my chuck is. Chucky tie Chucky. But up there we're looking splendid. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but I can. I don't see any leaks. Oh, does that make me happy? I hope the customer's happy too, if he watches this, because now the other tire is off. And if this bead does not leak, I ain't gonna touch it. Ooh, yeah, she's kicking air. You hear that? This would be good. Yeah, she's sealed up there. The leakage is right here on the air filler upper thing. Sweet! If I really got ambitious, I could take that one. Hopefully it's all brass. I go wire wheel it. And I might be able to find a piece of brass tube. Or copper for that matter. Sweat it together and then I don't have to wait for one to come in the mail. Nah, I'll probably just order one. This one was a good challenge though. Alright, that's it for this job. She's taking air and she ain't leaking, so if it ain't leaking on the bead, we'll see you later. Alright, hey, click the thumbs up and subscribe because that's what you're supposed to do to help me out. Don't know why, but actually I do it. I'll have to do it. Algorithm. So we'll talk all at you later. Thanks for watching and see you, bye. Hey guys, if you'd like to see more, help support the channel, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I put up a video. It'd be really appreciated. This gets to be quite a chore sometimes, and every little bit and every one of you subscribers helps, so I'd appreciate it. Click the subscribe, the little bell. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy my videos.
Hey, what are you doing in here? Get out of my shop.